Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my mini happy planner bullet journal setup. I will be talking about the cover, the inserts, things I upcycled, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Starting off with the basics, both my cover and discs are from Cloth and Paper. This is the glass plastic cover from Cloth and Paper. They have the mini happy planner size as well as the half letter and classic sizes. I'll have all that information in the description box along with alternatives. I am not using the glass plastic finish. I'm just using the frosted cover because I don't want the inside to get scratched. So let me just go ahead and put these two together. The cover was $7.90 and the discs were $9.90. And the discs come in a pack of 8, but for this mini happy planner, I only have to use 7. I prefer to just go ahead and put my disc on first, then I can layer everything else inside however I want. As for how I have this organized, because this is a clear cover, I wanted the first thing I saw to be pretty. So I'm actually using this vellum that I got, I don't know, however long ago from Hobby Lobby, and then when I close it, it's just so pretty. I was using this dashboard here that I created. This is using a happy planner pocket page as well as stickers. All the stickers are from the Wild Style sticker book, which is this one. And I do have a flip of this on my channel. It's one of my favorite happy planner sticker books. And I just used cardstock and measured and put everything inside. So it is double-sided. This was what I had in the front, but I decided to just go with my favorite vellum that I have in my stash. So this isn't really sections, but I have this page next, which is my daily routine. If nothing else gets done, this will. So that's that. And this is a die cut from Fabulously Creative Designs, and I'll have information on her shop plus a coupon code. And then I also have this little wellness page that I made, and I have a video on this as well. And all of these stickers are from the Happy Planner Wellness sticker book. Then the beginning pages, we jump right into the planning. Similar to how I had my half letter set up, how I was going to be rotating every quarter. This is going to have April through June, and then I'll rotate them out and then have the next 3 months. To me, it's just easier to manage, and that's what I prefer. Then I also made these trackers, which I shared in a recent video. And then I have plan with me's, recent plan with me's, and all that. So again, check all the links in the description box, which will have more detailed information. This is not here. There we go. And then this one. I loved the Selena kit. And this paper I actually cut down from a Staples notebook and just lightly, well, I eyeballed it. I used the Happy Planner paper, as a template, the mini Happy Planner paper, and just cut accordingly and just went with it. And the paper trimmer that I use is this Fiskars one. And then the hole puncher that I use is this one from Levenger. So that's all the paper. Then at the end of that section, which is the plans, I have this dashboard that I made. This was actually, what was this? This was some cardboard or something from a package that I had, and I cut it down, hole punched it. The back was brown, but I put pockets and I wanted to rearrange them, so I did cover the back with white cardstock. If I want to put a sticker here, I can, but right now I just have some miscellaneous stickers that I would use in my spreads. So these girls here are from Pear Tea. This is from not Cloth and Paper, Clever Fox. And then these three, the Read It, the Date Night, and the Happy Mail, are all from Sparkles Delight. And the pocket itself is from the Target One Spot. So I may end up decorating this a little bit more. Who knows? As for the sticky notes that I have here, these are Cloth and Paper. So I love the idea of having sticky notes throughout my planner. They're working very, very well. And what I use these for is when I have a longer list that I want to put in my plans for the week, then I'll use one of these. And then when it comes to other projects and notes on videos and stuff, I use these brighter ones, which you can get from Dollar Tree. So that's that. And then the next section that I have is basically just like video ideas and stuff. So I'm going to put that here. And then I'm going to put these sticky notes. And then behind that, I have this little dashboard that I made using, this is Heidi Swap paper. And then I know these are, it's a jewel box and some other stuff that I got in the swag bag from the Planning a Better Me retreat. So I made this one a while ago when I first had my mini happy planner as a wellness journal, but I just haven't used it since, but came in handy. And then the last thing I have in here is my notes on the writing projects that I have been working on. So go ahead and put those in. And that's that. So that leaves me with two dashboards that I have not put in yet. I have this one, which, oh man, I might need to get another pocket because it's not sticking. So let me grab another pocket. Okay, so here is what the Target pocket looks like. I just went for the stickers that I was using because they are a little bit shorter. I just went and cut off the top a little bit using the paper trimmer, which is more seamless than using scissors, and it's going to be a cleaner finish. And then here we go. And this paper is actually from a paper pad that I had in my stash, a random one. I don't remember which one it was. But I have some stickers from a little bit of everywhere inside of here. So this is not really sticking, so I'm just gonna press the sides and hope that that works. And then I'm going to put this one here. And then my other sticky notes that I have in here are a bit bulky, so I might take some of those out. But it's pretty chunky. My dividers for the most part are larger. So I'm going to go ahead and put this behind here. Like that. But now it's like, do I want to have that in the front? It doesn't really go. So I love seeing this, but I think this will make more sense to put it like that. There we go. And it's cute that it works out this way because then the rose paper is behind it. So that is how I set up my mini happy planner bullet journal. And I call it a bullet journal because it's more of a notebook than like a structured planner. I don't have any inserts inside of here. Not that I wouldn't use any inserts, but I like to be able to create my weekly spreads myself. And I've been using a lot more of my stash, which I love. I am going to be using some of these cloth and paper stone flags just to mark off certain pages. But other than that, this is pretty much all set up. The 3 sections that I have. So this one here, again, is like all of my planning. Then this middle one has like all of my YouTube related stuff. And then the back one is the writing projects that I'm working on. And that is what I need to reach for on a daily basis. I also keep up with my freelance stuff inside of here, but I put that in my regular planning section, so there's a space for everything. These discs, in comparison to the mini happy planner ones, these are 1 inch and the happy planner discs are 3/4 of an inch. So I do have a little bit of wiggle room. Would I up this to maybe 1.5? I don't know. I have some other discs in my stash, but I just love the way that this looks right now, so I'm gonna rock out with that. So that wraps it up for this video. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section and let me know if you've tried out a bullet journal or if you're using a bullet journal. Do you prefer a bound one or disc? I'm loving this setup right now. Would love to hear from you guys there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, products I mentioned, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.